Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install shaders for Microsoft version 1.21.5 in a simple and legal way. First of all, you need to head over to a trusted website like CurseForge or Minecraft's official website to find the shaders that are actually compatible with your version. Now, once you are able to find the shaders pack, you just have to simply download it from here, and it should be in a .zip format. Now you need to launch your Minecraft launcher and go to the option and then go to video settings. Now in your video settings you will see the option of shaders, so you just have to select that option, and after that you need to select the same shaders folder and add the .zip file into this folder. Then you need to go back to your Minecraft and select the shaders that you have just added, and finally hit the done button. This way your game will load with the new shaders, giving you better lighting, water effects, and overall improved graphics. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.